Cabbage and carrots sauteed in garlic, ginger, and turmeric. For preparation, we'll be needing half of a medium cabbage or one small cabbage, cut and shredded in the manner that you see. Peel 5 carrots and cut them in small circles. Peel a small fresh ginger with a spoon and then mince it. On a medium-high heat, add to a big wok 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste or 7 cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon of fresh minced ginger. Stir well for 1 minute. Add the 5 carrots that's been sliced into circles. Keep for 5 minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Now add the shredded cabbage gradually. Take the cabbage from the bottom and place it on the top, and then gradually add more cabbages. As you cook the cabbage, it will lose its water and become softer. After 10 minutes, the cabbages are gonna get soft. Then you squeeze on top 1 fresh lemon. Then add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Cook for another minute and you're done. Serve with soya sauce and chili paste.